Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Li step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Li. Power. Force. Ability.压力. Pressure. Stress. For example, do you live with stress? Do you live with stress? 你觉得生活有压力吗？你觉得生活有压力吗？你觉得生活有压力吗？你觉得生活 live 有压力 stress 吗？ Do you live with stress? 你觉得生活有压力吗？ My casual handwriting on character Ni. Li, power, force, ability. 压力 pressure, stress. Do you live with stress? 你觉得生活有压力吗？ Let me know in a comment. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.